Hey guys, Carfly here. I'm just screwing in my light now. Putting in the bracket. We mounted an electrical box in the ceiling. We made sure the power was off, key number 1. And now we're just screwing up our bracket. And then we're gonna hook up the wires and put the light in. Carfly here, out.
Ow, my knee. What dang it. Carfly here, out. Can't even hold this straight. I hate this plastic. Ow, my butt. I don't think I'd put that on my video. You know why?
Your brother's a silly goose. Almost got it.
Ouch!
Carfly here, getting my butt kicked by this screw.
Stop! You're not helping. This could be like the bloopers at the end of the video.
Carfly here.
I'm getting my butt literally kicked.
Need to work on my upper body strength.
Carfly here, out. Tires out your arms.
Overhead.
One more screw.
Wait till you're older, you just get to do it for more hours in a day.
Once you do it more hours in a day, your arms get a little stronger. I want to make sure all these are tight.
They're all tight.